3, 2, 1.
Heavy rains cause flooding in a valley. Which animals would most likely thrive? The answer is B. Otters. What is the largest ocean in terms of total area? The answer is A. Atlantic. What is the world's deepest canyon located on? The answer is B. Grand Canyon. What is the largest edible mammal on land? The answer is A. Elephant. The elements are arranged in rows, each representing the filling of what shell? The answer is A. Electron. What is the term for chordates with a vertebral column and endoskeleton of cartilage and bone? The answer is C. Vertebrate. Which sitcom features the characters Monica, Ross, Rachel, and Chandler? The answer is A. Friends Act. What is the small intestine lined with that helps with nutrient absorption? The answer is D. Villi. What is the Roman god of the underworld known as? The answer is A. Pluto. What is GMT plus 12 known as? The answer is D. International Dateline West. Where is Maxwell's smartphone concealed in Get Smart? The answer is B. In his shoe. The deepest part of the ocean is the Mariana Trench. What unit is its depth measured in? The answer is A. Kilometers. Electrons flow through wires to create what? The answer is C. Electric current. Which is most important to do when making directions for an experiment? The answer is D. Write the experiment in order. Which technique will researchers studying the inheritance patterns of various disorders most likely use? The answer is D. Chromosomal analysis. What cooking process involves cooking ingredients containing sugar on a low heat to alter the flavor and color? The answer is D. Caramelization. A female llama is known as what? The answer is A. Alhambra. How long does it take Neptune to orbit the Sun once? The answer is A. 165 years. What unusual animal named Pippin did Audrey Hepburn have for a pet? The answer is D. Fawn. Which book contains the character Alden Pyle? The answer is D, The Quiet American. Who are the people that saved the gang from Taboo in Super Smash Bros. Brawl? The answer is C, Ness, King Dedede, Luigi, Kirby. What novel opens on a beautiful summer day with Lord Henry Wotton observing artist Basil Hallward's work? The answer is B, The Picture of Dorian Gray. Which art movement was characterized by abstract shapes and bold colors? The answer is A, Expressionism. What famous NBA basketball star made an appearance as co-pilot Murdoch in the movie Airplane? The answer is B, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Qantas, Australia's largest airline company, has what Australian animal on its red and white logo? The answer is D, kangaroo. What percentage of water is removed from milk to make evaporated milk? The answer is C, 60%. Which sci-fi classic features the story of an alien invasion thwarted by Earth's microorganisms? The answer is A, War of the Worlds. What is the main function of kidney? The answer is A, blood filtration. What kind of energy is released when the thermochemical reaction of a campfire converts wood to carbon dioxide in water? The answer is B, heat. What is the word for a group of cubs? The answer is C, a litter. In experiments with garden peas, Austrian monk Gregor Mendel described the basic patterns of what? The answer is D, inheritance. Which of these characters from the TV show 24 seemingly died in the 5th season, but was revived through a hypothermic injection? The answer is B, Tony Almeida. A person driving to work in which of these is most likely to lose control? The answer is B, a sleet-covered highway. Gene expression and what else are usually considered the same molecular process? The answer is B, protein synthesis. Which company developed the Linux operating system? The answer is D, Linus Torvalds. What state was actor Patrick Swayze born in? The answer is A, Texas. Common soaps are often basic. Which of these is a property of a chemical base? The answer is C, turns litmus paper blue. Many countries have attempted to reduce the human impact on climate change by reducing their emission of what greenhouse gas? The answer is B, carbon dioxide. Under which process do living things with beneficial traits produce more offspring? The answer is B. Natural selection. Who founded the city of Rome? The answer is B. Romulus. What describes a close and long-term interaction between different species? The answer is D. Symbiosis. What was the first regularly scheduled color broadcast in the U.S.? The answer is A. The Wizard of Oz, NBC. What year did the series Lancelot Link, Secret Chimp appear on the TV airwaves? The answer is B. 1970. A javelin is used in which sport? The answer is C. Track and field. Liz's 72 Mustang stopped on the highway because it had run out of fuel. What does she need? The answer is B. A product derived from oil. What primarily drives the hydrologic cycle to produce clouds? The answer is D. Energy from a central star. What is the Latin term for the arm? The answer is A. Brachium. What was John Olerud's batting average when he won the batting title in 1993? The answer is C. .363. What is the shape of the toy invented by Hungarian professor Erno Rubik? The answer is C. Cube. The job of the nucleolus is to build what?